Okay, now we'll discuss that how carbon dioxide is necessary for photosynthesis. In the previous videos, we have discussed about how water is essential for photosynthesis. Now, we are going to discuss about how carbon dioxide is necessary for photosynthesis. We know that four important things required for photosynthesis are what? Carbon dioxide, water, sunlight, and a chlorophyll, the green pigment. Now, in this video, we'll be discussing about how that carbon dioxide is necessary for photosynthesis. Now, we can perform an activity to understand this importance of carbon dioxide to the photosynthesis. Now, first aim. So, what is our aim here? Aim is what? To prove carbon dioxide is necessary for photosynthesis. Carbon dioxide is necessary for photosynthesis. Now, second thing, materials required, very important. So materials required are the apparatus. What are the apparatus we need for this activity? So very important here. These apparatus what we use to perform this activity to prove that carbon dioxide is necessary for photosynthesis is, first one, the destarched plant. Destarched plant. So what is mean by destarched plant? Simple. We have to remove the starch by keeping the plant in the dark for about 1 week. So simply keep the plant in dark for about for a week. So 1 week. If you keep that plant in the dark room for 1 week, all the starch present in the leaves and remaining parts of the plant is going to be utilized by the plant, and new starch will not be formed due to absence of light. Okay, so destarched plant is very important. Next, along with that, we need a KOH solution, potassium hydroxide solution or pellets. You can take solution or pellets. Next, you can take splitted cork, along with this you have to take wide mouthed transparent glass bottle. So you have to take this transparent glass bottle, and you have to take grease or Vaseline. Along with this, you have to take iodine to confirm that whether starch has formed or not. These are the materials you need to take to prove that carbon dioxide is necessary for photosynthesis. Now, coming to the procedure. So now procedure. In a procedure, first you take a transparent glass bottle, the wide mouth transparent glass bottle. So this is a wide mouth transparent glass bottle. In that bottle, you have to take a KOH solution. So this is a wide mouth transparent glass bottle. In that bottle, what you have to take? The KOH solution. So this is a KOH solution. KOH. What is the advantage of taking KOH here? It is very important. It absorbs carbon dioxide. It absorbs carbon dioxide present in the bottle. So whatever the carbon dioxide present in this area of the bottle will be absorbed by the KOH solution or pellet. Okay, now so take KOH in a bottle, and now splitted cork. So this is the splitted cork. For example, this is the splitted cork. This is the side view. When you see that from upper place, that means from vertically here, this area, we can see the small slit here. Through that we have to insert the leaf that we'll discuss now. So insert splitted cork to the mouth of the bottle. Now this is a splitted cork. Now, so we have to take that plant which we have destarched already. That means we have kept in the dark. You have to do this in the dark only. Now see that, take that plant. Before drawing that leaf, you have to draw that pot. By that we can draw the diagram easily. This is a pot in which the plant is growing. So this is a pot. Okay, right. Now in this pot the plant is growing. You first start drawing the leaf. That means in this plant, let me draw the plant. This is the plant which we kept in the dark for about 1 week. The plant is free from the starch now. So these are the leaves. Now one more leaf I am going to draw here. That leaf, we have to insert half of the leaf into the bottle. First you have to draw that half of the leaf for easy drawing of this diagram. This is the half of the leaf, and remaining half of the leaf must be outside the bottle like this. Now you join this leaf petiole to the leaf. By that you can draw the diagram easily. Okay, so what we have to do here, first you have to select one leaf and insert the half of the leaf. How much we are inserting? Only half of the leaf into the bottle which containing KOH. The rest of the half of the leaf should be outside the mouth of the bottle. Here apply any grease or Vaseline. Apply any grease or Vaseline to prevent the entry of air into the bottle. Hope you have understood this diagram. If you want, you can draw one more leaf. That's enough. Only 2-3 leaves enough. No need to draw many leaves here. Okay. This is the plant which we took for an experiment. Now this is a set. So what we are doing? We are taking that KOH solution in the bottle and we are inserting the cork. Through the slit, we are inserting half of the leaf of the plant which we have de-starched already. That means this leaves of this plant doesn't have any starch because we kept in the dark for about 1 week. Now take this set and keep in a sunlight. So keep in a sunlight. Keep in sunlight. So sunlight. Now sun is there. So after arranging these all things, we have to keep in a sunlight. Now what is happening here? When the sunlight is available, the plant is able to perform photosynthesis and it can synthesize glucose, and that glucose is going to be turned into the starch. So after few hours, we have to go for a observation. In that observation, what we have to do, after keeping in a sunlight for about minimum 4-5 hours, we take out the leaf which we inserted half of the leaf into the bottle. So this leaf you have to take and draw like this only. Many students drawing the leaf reversible manner. See, they are drawing like this and they are labeling the parts. This is not right way. You have to draw like this only. This is the petiole of the leaf and this is the leaf apex, the edge of the leaf, and draw the veins. This leaf which we have inserted, how much leaf we have inserted into that bottle? Half of the leaf. This is the half of the leaf. This is inside the bottle and that is the outside of the bottle. Now test this leaf for presence of starch with that iodine solution. So with the iodine solution, when you pour iodine solution on that leaf, what changes we can see here? The half of the leaf, this part which is outside the bottle, which is able to get all the 4 requirements. It can get the sunlight, it can get the water from the roots, and it can get the carbon dioxide from the air because it is not kept inside the bottle now, and the chlorophyll is already present in the leaf. Now this part turns bluish black color, and it confirms the starch is present. Starch is formed. That means half of the leaf which is outside the bottle shows that formation of starch. So here starch is formed. Now rest of the leaf, the remaining half part of the leaf do not shows, or it doesn't turns to bluish black color because starch is not formed, no starch. Why this part of the leaf doesn't forms the starch? Because inside the bottle there is no carbon dioxide. The remaining all parts, all factors are available. It can get the sunlight because it is a transparent bottle, and water is available through the xylem and phloem, and the chlorophyll is already present in the leaf. What is absent here? Carbon dioxide only. So if that carbon dioxide is not available for the leaves, it can't perform photosynthesis. So if you want further confirmation, you can test another leaf also. If you take this leaf and go for iodine test again, which part of the leaf turns bluish black color? Total leaf. Why? Because totally it is getting sunlight, water, carbon dioxide, everything. Only this part of the leaf which we are testing here, whether carbon dioxide is very important or not. Only this part of the leaf do not turns the bluish black color, and that means absence of starch because of absence of carbon dioxide. So here the precautions are very important. Two precautions you have to write when you are answering this question. Precautions. The first one, KOH should not touch the leaf. Touch the leaf of part of the leaf. This part, the leaf should not touch the KOH because it is a chemical. The leaf may be get damaged. And second precaution is apply grease or Vaseline. Grease or Vaseline to prevent the entry of air into the bottle. These two are the precautions, and notes is available in the description clearly. If you want notes, you just go through the description, and if you like the video, subscribe and share. Thank you.